Are you trying to drive more traffic at your retail locations or generate more sales online? It's a challenge that we've all been faced with, yet this also presents us with an opportunity to better understand what motivates our customers to visit our store and then keep coming back for more. Marketing to your target customers is one thing, but we'd like to take it a step further to help you drive sales through incentivized customer engagement. I'm going to provide you with steps to effectively engage with your customers through Insured Promotions. For starters, it's really important to understand what an insured promotion actually is. An insured promotion is a type of contest or sweepstakes that offers your customers the chance to win a huge prize, $1 million in cash or a fully rebated purchase from your store, if a certain occurrence takes place during a certain period of time. The biggest difference with an insured promotion is that you're only paying for a small percentage of the total prize value versus writing $1 million check from your bank account to one of your customers. That's where the insurance kicks in. The prize insurance policy pays the value of the prize if someone wins. Okay, so now that we have the basics down, let's talk about how to actually use an insured promotion to drive more traffic and generate more sales. You know your local market better than anyone, but what is it that really captures the hearts and minds of your customers in the market? Is there a local sports team that everyone follows religiously? Is there an upcoming event that will draw in thousands of people? Or maybe the weather in your market is totally unpredictable and always changing. We call these triggers. Identifying your trigger will better inform you on how to effectively customize your promotion to the local market. Now for the fun stuff. It's time to come up with a creative idea that's going to be the hook of your promotion. But there's really two important things to keep in mind. First, it's important for the hook to be believable. People need to believe there's a chance that it could actually happen. And second, the insured prize needs to be big enough that it will get people excited to sign up. Here are two good examples of scenarios that could work. Your local sports team wins the championship game, and everyone who purchased their furniture during a specific month wins a $100,000 shopping spree to your store, or they could win a full refund of their purchase. Next, if the weather hits a certain threshold on a particular date, like if the temperature hits 100 degrees on July 4th at a certain location, everyone who purchased their furniture on that particular date gets their entire purchase for free. There are so many creative concepts that you can apply here, but it's all about knowing the hook that's going to get your target customers really excited to participate. Next, identifying where your customers are devoting their attention is equally as important. Most of you are likely investing in traditional media, whether it's radio, TV, outdoor advertising, and as of late, you're also likely reaching your customers through social media. So, think about your promotion as the meat on the bone, so to speak. Use this promotion as the primary message in each one of these marketing channels. If you're loud and proud enough in your messaging around this promotion, what's likely going to result in some added local PR benefits, getting coverage through the local news outlets, or being picked up and promoted by social media influencers. Lastly, for the promotion to be truly successful, you need to track the results. We'd recommend setting up a basic landing page if it's an online promotion, or setting up a registration table in store to capture the information of your customers at the time of purchase. Not only are you driving new sales, but now you're building or adding to your customer database that you can then remarket to in the future. Incentivized customer engagement can be a strong strategy to drive traffic to your retail store or website and generate more sales. By engaging potential customers with insured promotions, you will create buzz for your store and your local market, generate enthusiasm among your target consumer, and allow you to capture information on those that participate for future marketing campaigns.